Hi. These are the installation instructions for the cable protector unit to house cables in lieu of shunt protection. You want to assemble all base sections first. The easiest way to differentiate bases from tops is that a base section is going to have the reflective on the side of the unit. Also, you will see in here that it says base this side up. So you want to make sure that you always have base this side up. We want to take all the bases that we have, we want to erect them. The base sections are lined up, whether it be on a straight run, whether it be on a curved run where you have to go around a turn or a curve, whatever it may be. You want to get it set up in the position you want it. Then you lay your shunt board, the shunts, primary cables, single channel, double channel, whatever you need to use, and you set them up in place. You run all the cables down, and then once you run the cables down, we're going to then have to assemble the unit. Once the cable is lined up in place, a very important part is when we go to install the top sections, you will see on the top section it says keep off. On the inside it says top, this side down. So we're going to be putting this side down. And when we always start going danger side first, and we work that way towards the con end. So we put the section on. And then we lock it in place. Now the unit is locked in place. Take the second section, danger again. Section's already installed. Final section, we'll put it on. Another way to know to make sure, because it could be confusing at times, which end goes on what. There's a hole here for a rebar spike if you want to use it, and also on the top. So make sure that those holes line up, and it'll be a foolproof way to know whether or not to go this way or this way. Boom, locked in place. Cable's going to be in here. We're good to go. You could bolt it down with a rebar spike if you want to. One more way to secure the lid is we have tech screw. There's holes on the device. We would put them in, line them up, downward pressure, straight down, done. Go over to the other side. Down. We can move along. You could use as many of these as you like. There's 2 on each unit. Just another way to secure the lid. Last section to be installed. Always have to put pressure from the top. Self-tapping screw, all set, ready to go. Is now in service, assuming there's a live cable feed in here. You may not to, or you may also want to use the top to bolt it down with the rebar spike. Your prerogative. Unit always has to be supported underneath. We always want to have, if you're going to raise this thing to go up over any sort of elevation or clamp, we always want to have downward pressure on the unit. We always need it supported from underneath, whether you use MAC or other type of ramping mechanism. Safety feature for the side of the unit is with Reflexite AR1000 reflective sheeting, abrasive resistant, strong stuff. It is the same reflective that is used on taxiway markers at airports because it could adhere very soundly and is also strong and abrasive resistant from debris, jet blast, any type of debris that would kick up to try and ruin the sheeting.